In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for teaching. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for teaching. This beginner-friendly guide will help you use Claude to explain topics, create lessons, and support learning. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help teach a topic. For example, I might type, "Explain the water cycle in simple terms for students." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a clear explanation of the topic, making it easier for students to understand. If I want more structured teaching material, I can ask Claude to create a lesson plan or learning outline. For example, I might type, "Create a short lesson plan about the water cycle." Claude can also generate practice questions, quizzes, or examples to help reinforce the lesson. If students need more help understanding the topic, I can ask Claude to simplify the explanation or provide more examples. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI as a teaching assistant. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.